best touchscreen Chromebooks of 2024. A good Chromebook offers everything that a regular laptop does, but the addition of a touchscreen gives it an upper hand, like MacBooks. Touchscreen Chromebooks offer numerous levels of interactivity for everything, from playing games to working professionally while allowing users to treat their laptop as a tablet. Chromebooks are available in different shapes, sizes, and prices. If you're planning to buy one, Gad Insider's here with a list of the best Chromebooks available in the market. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook Plus. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook Plus has similar features to its predecessor, offering a 13th generation Core i3 1315U processor, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. It has a 14-inch touch display. It's a good option for doing office work or watching your favorite TV shows due to its 10 hours of battery life. It's available for $499 at Lenovo stores. Acer Chromebook Spin 311. It's one of the most affordable touchscreen Chromebook options available in the market. It has an 11.6-inch touch display with HD resolution and ultra battery life that goes for over 15 hours on a single charge. It's available for $200 in stores. Asus Chromebook Flip CX5601. Are you looking to expand your Chromebook screen size? If yes, the Asus Chromebook Flip CX5601 is the perfect choice for you, offering a 16-inch touchscreen. It also features stylus support, allowing users to write notes or make sketches. It's available for $599 at Best Buy. Lenovo Chromebook Duet 5. The Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5 Chromebook offers a high-end 2-in-1 display. It has a 13.3-inch OLED touch display. It also offers a detachable touchpad and keyboard. It has a battery life that can go up to 15 hours. It's available for $369 at Lenovo stores. Acer Chromebook Plus 516GE 2024. If you're looking for a Chromebook that can handle both work and play, you must try the Acer Chromebook Plus 516GE 2024. It offers a gaming dashboard that allows users to capture and share their gaming moments with friends. The long-lasting battery life works as a power source during extended gaming sessions. It's available for $649 at Best Buy.